back to my channel. I thought I would be posting this video by 11:45 a.m. that has been in the Telegram. But sorry friends, it was like some technical difficulties. We could not able to record the video at the time. But friends, now I want to share you a very important detail that one of my friends also shared, and we were planning to share that news. Before that, we have broke this news, yes, and that is this, friends. Okay, actually, we always cover this that Alok Indices supplying goods to Walmart, and recently they are supplied to one more company. I forgot that name, but now as you can see here on 23rd of June, I think 4 days back from this date, they have supplied some goods to Elite Homes Products Incorporation, and when we saw in the net, it was a US based company, and that is a very important crucial point to note. So speaking about this point, and they will supply, they will make PPE kits, equipments, etc. And while opening on Monday, it can go up to 50.60 friends. Now the main question coming into my mind is, can it hit a range target of around 100 rupees? Yes, for the first time we are jumping double. I think we will go part by part. As many of my friends know, we give recommendations, we go part by part, because many retail investors are being fearing that what could happen tomorrow, what could happen tomorrow. I am saying that, friends, the highest price, I think it was actually around 114 or so. If we divide that, it comes in around 57 or so. So 56.5 to 57.5. Remember, friends, that is a massive important point. I hope at that time also, if it goes in lowest good, I would be the person to buy that stocks. I missed many opportunities. I think the last time when we acquired this stock was in the range of 24 rupees. Yes, the last time when we acquired it was in the range of 24 rupees. And if you notice, friends, there has been a good improvement in this company, and also they are posting the result for a future. That is not an important concern that we should have the point. Now speaking about the future, what and how one can see Alok Industries Limited, friends, you know what Reliance Industries can do, and you know what they can do. So speaking about these factors, I think many of my friends have asked about this shareholding pattern, who is really controlling it. So friends, if you want to see like me, I'm going to this Bombay Stock Exchange website, type Alok Industries. If you go here, you will have a option called shareholding pattern. As you can see, if you click the shareholding pattern, this will open up. Okay, as you can see, the 9 promoters, this is the world promoter, and that is the main problem, friends. Don't see this as the fully thing. Okay, if you notice one thing, actually Reliance Industries, JM FARC, that means JM Financial Asset Realization Company, are the two promoters now. This, they are given this 9 shareholders, the promoters, they are the whole promoters. Now their shares has been taken away, and if you go and check in public funds, you will have Reliance Industries. If you don't believe me, let us see if we get the public shareholding data. Says we got the public shareholding data. In India, you can see, friends, there is a person called Reliance Industries Limited. Actually, why we said we want quarter result, said it is for this also, and this is what being continuing. Many fans asking who is holding. 2 lakh shareholders are holding 29% stake, and 522 shareholders are holding more than capital of 2 lakhs, and that is the main part that each and everyone must note in Alok Industries Limited. So speaking about all the facts away, friends, when will this be completed? If you ask me, friends, the quarter result will say answer to all this, because, and that is what we mainly say, because in quarter result, not only about these things, about the delisting process which they have mentioned in somewhere, I think so, friends, and I think that would have mainly happened. But how they are going to convert their optional preference shares into it, how their management is working now, how their PPK person is going on, how they export business like Walmart and the Elite group that we saw here today. So put together, friends, there are many unanswered questions. But what is being answered is nothing but this great thing called Alok Industries Limited, and it is possible to reach 100 rupees. Yes, it is possible. I think in July month there could be a market crash, and now is it saying, and we already posted the video that July month could be a crash of shares, which are dirty stocks which are rising a lot. Many people asking how we are predicting dirty stocks, friends. Think I am saying a small hint. Okay, the book value, the PE ratio, as well as this share price momentum for the past 5 years. If you notice, friends, there would be some stocks which don't have this kind of things like Reliance Communication, Cox and King Finance, and some finance companies, as well as GMT Auto, Many other companies, I don't know, I'm forgetting this keeping names, that Pant Infinity, Maurya Udyog Limited, and many other many IT sector companies, small penny stocks has been raising a lot. So please be careful in that range, friends. Okay, and it is possible for Alok Indices to reach 100 rupees, and it is possible, and we are hoping and praying for that, because many investors would create a massive wealth, and we do create, but we want our shareholders, our friends, to create a massive wealth. And friends, when this video till now, then make sure you please click the subscribe button, as well as you share this video with friends, so that all could get knowledge about Alok Industries Limited. And bye, friends.